Hey guys, today we're working on my project F150. It's a 76 super cab, pretty sick. We're just fixing it up, having some fun with it this summer, and got some stuff for a tune-up, new coil, plugs and wires of course, and then also got a light switch to hopefully fix the dash lights. The headlights and taillights all work, but the dash lights don't come on, and I'm pretty sure that's the solution for that. So that's going to be the first thing we put in, and then we'll get to the plugs and wires and coil. Take your switches off your radio, take the switch off your wipers. We'll pull this guy out at the very last minute to make sure that the lights are on for the least amount of time. So there's a nut there and a nut there holding it in, and then there's screws up in the top of the dash, as well as one right there, and a little tab right there that's holding it in. Once you get these 9/16 nuts off, this plate will come off, and there's two more screws right there. Last thing holding the dash in is the pull for the lights. You're going to reach up under the dash and press down on this button, and then wiggle this deal all the way out, and you'll see the rod is attached to the knob, and then this whole dash will come off. With the dash off, there's a nut right here that screws into the switch. Undo that, unplug the old switch, plug the new one back in, put it all back together the way it came out. Okay, with that light switch out of the way, now we're gonna do plugs, wires, and coil. Alright, wires, plugs, and coil are done. So next, we're gonna put a new fuel filter in there. Fuel filter's in. Now we're gonna take it for a drive, see if it drives any better.